Hello guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss another interesting topic in Pinterest ads, and that is how to create a conversion campaign. As you know, we are working on the Pinterest ads account and we are working on creating videos of each and every aspects in Pinterest ads so that you have the knowledge and you can create Pinterest ads for your business as well. So in today's video we will discuss about conversion campaign. Basically, what is conversion? By saying conversion campaign, I mean to say when people click on your ad and redirect to the website, and where they will fill up the form and you can get that lead and convert that easily. So in today's video I will let you know how to do it, how to create a conversion campaign, and without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. Thank you so much. As first of all, whenever you want to create a Pinterest conversion campaign, you have to check, you need to go to the conversion option in the dashboard, and once you click on that, you will be redirected to the page where all the events are created, because you need to create an event first. And as I've already created a lead event, as you can see here, I have already created a lead event and that is working fine, and we are counting the total event which we'll get from that particular lead event. So you need to create that one so that you are able to use that in the conversion campaign. If you see my other video on my YouTube channel, you'll get an idea how to create a lead event in the or like event manager section of Pinterest ads account. So let's start with the conversion campaign. First of all, as you know, we have an option of like creating a new account. So what we'll do is we will click on that and then we'll get an option of create a campaign. Once I click on it, it will redirect me to the options where we need to select the objective, as we have 5 different objectives here, but we need to redirect the people to our website. So we will choose conversion objective, because as you can see, they also write that drive people to take action on your website. So that is why I'm using this particular option to create my campaigns. And after that, the scenario is same. You just need to add your campaign name, as I will name it test campaign, and I will put date here so that I will know on which particular date I have created the same. And after that, you just need to name the ad group. I will name it audience based, and then you need to select your budget. I will give it $10 budget. And after that, you need to check the like location, which particular location you want to target. I have targeted the Ireland location already. And if you want to select a particular age group, or you want to select different age group, then you can use this option, 18 plus and all recommended. If you want, you can choose 80 plus as well, and if you want, you can choose the all recommended age group as well. So this is the basically this is the Pinterest performance plus campaign option. So I will check this off and I will create the campaign manually, because I just want to show you how you can segregate the audience and how you can choose that in a detailed way so that you can get results from the same. As now I have turned off that option. Now I have all the options I'll get in detailed. Like earlier, we are only able to target all the age groups or 18 plus, but now I will also target, if I only want to target 18 to 22 age group people, I will do that, because I have turned off the Pinterest performance plus option off. After that, if you want to select any of the language, let's say Croatian, so you can choose it from here. And if you want to show your ads only on iPad, iPhone, Android tablet, which device you want, you can select it here. That is why I will always recommend, please use a normal option, don't go with performance plus option if you are creating a new campaign, because that will give us a more control on our campaign, on our targeting, so that we can get results. And here I will choose the Ireland option, because I need to target all Ireland in our campaigns. And after that, interest, and today I will use keywords as a targeting. As you can see, I have typed kitchen remodeling. So yeah, so I will use this particular idea, like kitchen remodeling idea keyword, as our main keyword, because earlier we do the interest targeting option, but I will choose the keyword targeting option right now because I want people who want this kind of services. That is why I'm using keyword targeting option here. And after that you need to choose the placement, as I will record all them, but if you want you can choose browse or search. People who are browsing, just scrolling the Pinterest, or people who want something and they are searching for it, so you can choose it from here as well. And then you need to choose now basically this is the main thing which differ conversion campaign from the awareness campaign. In awareness campaign we just need to add a video, particular video or a URL where we need to redirect. We don't want, we are not able to get any data from that particular event which we need as a result in our campaigns. But in conversion campaign we need to select a particular event which we have created through the codes in the backend of the website, so that we will tag that particular thing as a lead in our campaign. So here in the conversion objective you just need to choose the conversion. After that it will give you the option. If you have already created an event, as I have already created for lead, so it will showcase here and you just need to choose them. If you have multiple events you can choose it from here as well. So now once somebody see our ads, land on our page and fill up the form and redirect to the thank you page, this lead event will count that particular thing as a conversion in our Pinterest ads account. And after that you just need to choose the create the ad. If you want to create a manual ad you can create from this option. If you have already an ad, as I have already like an ad which I need to choose from the profile, so as I just need to click on that, as this is the ad which I want to use right now. So I will copy the pin ID, basically the ID of the ad. I will put the same here and it will start showcasing that ad, and I will just click on this and add as a pin, and now that ad will be automatically here. You just need to put the URL of the website. I have put it here. Now you just need to click on the publish. Once you click on it, your campaign will be look like this, as I have already created the campaign. So here we go. Yeah, you can see our campaign is showcased here. And now once you will get impression, CPM, everything, you can like see the data here and optimize the campaign accordingly. So this is how we do it. This is how we create a conversion campaign and use our lead events in the campaign. And in this way we can create a conversion campaign and get leads from our website. So if you have any query and concern regarding that, you can directly contact me through the number flashing on the screen. And if you have any other queries, you can also comment on the YouTube video. Thank you so much.